Because I don't want to cancel it. Okay, so then let me go to the one that crossed out. Okay, that's